So here we are looking at the outside of the van, and the unit is just there. This one's fitted on the front right hand corner. It's good to have it mounted towards the front of the van as much as possible. Now, when I saw the first one of these being installed in the workshop, I ran out and had to ask the boys the question, because to me it looked like it was installed back to front. I'm used to looking at air conditioners that have the pointy bit towards the front of the van and the flat bit at the back, but sure enough, they were right and I was wrong. The flat part of these DRS systems go towards the front of the van to suck all the air in, push it through the filters and into the van. You can see that it's a pretty compact unit. It doesn't take up much space on the top of the van, so there's generally always a spot for it, and they can be fitted to pretty much any van, pop top, camper trailers, caravans, fifth wheelers, floats, etc. So we'll go inside and have a look at what the internals look like. This is the front of the van. I'm in the bedroom area. On the ceiling, you can see the internal part of the Dometic DRS system. That little cover just flips open. There's a couple of magnetic catches there, so it opens and closes really, really easily. And to check the filter, all you do is release these little tabs, pop it out. This whole unit comes out. This cardboard bit with the filter inside is replaceable, so you can get a new one, but you can just clean them out as well. So you can just blow it out with compressed air, knock it out outside, put it back in and get a few more uses out of it before replacing the whole thing. It goes back in that little plastic cartridge. Sometimes you can find that there's a little bit of water in here, and that's quite normal. It's when water gets through the front of the system, it will sit in there. It'll evaporate by itself over time. If there's any in there when you are going to clean the filter out, just tip it out outside. Once you're all sorted, that slides back up in there. Click it into place, flick that shut, and that's the end of the job. Now, there is another filter in here too, and it's not one that you normally have to clean anywhere near as often. It's for the bypass air. So all you do is, same deal, open up this door and pull this other part out. I'll give you a close-up of that. That's got this black foamy material in it. It's a bit like the old the Air Command Wren air conditioners. Same deal, you can just blow it out with compressed air or give it a knock to get rid of any of the dust or debris that's in there. Eventually you can replace it, but I imagine you'll be getting many, many years out of it. Once you've sorted that part out, that just slides back up. He goes in there, clicks into place again. Boom. Shut the door, and that's it. So these things are really, really easy to maintain. No power required for them. Replacement parts for the filter are available, and they're super neat inside. And our customer feedback so far, the guys have had them put in, they've made a huge difference, like just a massive amount of difference to the dust that gets in the van. Nothing is ever 100%, that's for sure, but if you can get rid of 95, 99% of it, it's a good deal.